In Wednesday's math assignment, you're going to be continuing to add and subtract angles as you did in Practice Buddy on Tuesday. So I wanted to quickly go over when you know to add and when you know to subtract your angles. The first example here, I call it a missing hole example because you're missing the larger angle here, which is the red angle or y. The thing you need to do here is to add because you have two parts that make up the whole. So y is the whole angle, 31 is one of the parts, and 48 is the other part. We need to add up the two parts, and that will give you 79 degrees for y. I call the other example a missing part example because here you have the total, you have the whole angle, you have one of the parts, but you're missing the other part. So when you see this type of example, you know you need to subtract because you have x, one of the, the unknown that we have here, and that's equal to 65 minus part of it, which is 20, and that's going to tell us what x is. And 65 minus 20 is equal to 45 degrees. And you can check your work by doing 45 plus 20, and that will equal the whole, which is 65 degrees. So for this example in IXL, this is a missing part example like the one we just did. So you have the whole, which is the red angle here, 70 degrees. And we're missing part of it, we're missing h, and we know the other part is 40 degrees. So 70 minus 40. Again, missing part is a subtraction problem. And a missing whole is an addition problem. So we have the two smaller parts that make up D, the whole angle, and 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. Finally, the last example I'll do with you is a missing part example. So you have 80 degrees as your total. You have Z, which we don't know, and we have 30, which we do know. And so in order to find what Z is, we need to take the total of 80, take away the part, which is 30, to find the other part that makes up 80, which is 50.